Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be making 3 different kinds of leaf vines that can be used for decorating your room or making other Pinterest worthy decor. Don't worry if you are a beginner, these leaf vines are perfect for beginners and will help you understand the foundation stitches like slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. So let's get started. Throughout this tutorial, I'll be using this olive green yarn which will be linked in the bio and a 3.75mm crochet hook and a 3mm crochet hook, but you can use any hook that suits you. This is my take on ginger ray leaves which are almost heart shaped and very easy to make. Start by making a slip knot like so. And inserting your hook into the loop made. We'll start by making a chain of 15. Just yarn over and pull through to make a chain. This is the first stitch, this is the second, and this is the third. We'll skip all these 3 stitches and go directly into the 4th stitch. Now yarn over and insert into the 4th stitch. Yarn over and pull through to have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. This is called a double crochet. We will do 3 more double crochets into the same stitch for a total of 4 double crochets. Next, do a treble or triple crochet by yarning over twice, inserting the hook through the same stitch, yarn over, pull through for 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 stitches, again yarn over, pull through next 2 stitches, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 stitches. Then chain 3 and insert your hook into the first chain here. Yarn over, pull through and then make a slip stitch by pulling the first stitch through the second. This will make the pointed tip of the leaf. Now we will repeat the same steps as before but in reverse. So start with a triple crochet followed by 4 double crochets into the same stitch as before. Now we will finish by chaining 3 and making a slip stitch into the same stitch as before to complete the leaf. To start making more leaves, slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 15 and continue the same pattern for the remaining leaves. To start the money plant vines, make a slip knot like before. Insert your hook of choice and chain 12. Now insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through for 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. This is called a single crochet. Next, yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through for 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is called a half double crochet. In the next stitch, we'll make a double crochet. Now we are going to just repeat the steps in reverse, that is, do a half double crochet in the next stitch, followed by a single crochet in the stitch after. With this, you are done with half of the leaf. To start on the second half, chain 2 and make a single crochet into this stitch here. Now, as before, make a half double crochet. Just for reference, we are working in these stitches here. Complete the half double crochet and then make a double crochet in the next stitch. Then make a half double crochet followed by a single crochet. For the last stitch here, we are going to make a slip stitch like so. Now chain 1 to make the pointed tip of the leaf, and then we are going to make the center spine of the leaf by inserting the hook anywhere in the center and making a slip stitch. Keep making slip stitches down the center of the leaf till you reach the base. Then chain 1, and with that your first leaf is complete. To get started on the other leaf, chain 11 and then repeat the same pattern as before. I am using a 3mm hook for making the ivy vines, but you can stick with the hook that you are using right now. To start off, make a slip knot like before. Insert your hook of choice and chain 10. Now we will skip these first 2 stitches and make a double crochet into the third stitch. In the same stitch, make another double crochet for a total of 2 double crochets. Then chain 3, and like we did for the gingerbread vine, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Followed by 2 double crochets into the same stitch as before. Then to finish the leaf, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch. Next, make a slip stitch into the next stitch to start making other leaves. This pattern is almost similar to the first leaf vine we made, but after making a few leaves, you might notice that all the leaves point in a single direction, which we'll take care of by making leaves on the other side as well, which gives it that wall creeper ivy vine look. Before moving further, let me show you how to make the same leaf but slightly larger. Start by chaining 10 and then skipping 3 stitches instead of 2 like before, and make 2 triple crochets into the 4th stitch. Then we'll make the tip of the leaf by chaining 3 and slip stitching into the first chain. Then make 2 triple crochets again into the same stitch. Followed by chaining 3 and slip stitching into the same stitch, and you are done with this leaf. So as I mentioned before, the first side of the vine is done. Now let's start on the other side by making slip stitches into these stitches until we reach the middle stitch between 2 consecutive leaves. For us, that would be 5 slip stitches since we chained 10 before starting each leaf. After reaching the midpoint, chain 5 and then follow the same pattern as before to make a leaf. After completing the leaf, we are going to make slip stitches till we reach the main branch and then continue making slip stitches till we reach the next midpoint to continue making leaves on the other side as well. This is how your leaf vine should start looking. Now, if you want to extend the vine, once you reach the start of the vine, keep chaining till the length that you want and repeat the same steps as before to complete the vine. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and let me know in the comments what other tutorials I should make. Bye!